Hey guys, welcome back to Rey'sTime, my channel. And today we're going to think about HTML and Visual Studio Code, VS Code. So here we open ChatGPT from nowhere. And we're going to start. So we're just gonna ask HTML. I'm not nervous. I'm like that, and I know the meaning of HTML. Don't ask me why I am typing HTML. So it just shows you. Look, you can pause and read it because I don't have time. It's gonna take minutes and minutes, so time will be over and over. So you just pause and you can read it. If you can, putting it here and you can read it. But now I'm putting it here. Yeah, you can see that it's correctly. It's all correct. So, yeah. So let's search Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. Got it? You can just read it. I have no time. You can just pause. I have no time, dude, to read for you. It's gonna be over. Oh my god, we have very less time. Not me very much. This stuff. Okay, so we're opening. If you have not downloaded, open a new tab and then just search right over here. Visual Studio Code. Yeah, done. Just search it. So you can press download and download it. So now, I already downloaded it. Don't worry. What happened? Oh, what is this? Whatever. This is my old one. Don't save. I don't want to save this. Leave this is my old one. There's nothing else. Delete it, please. Yeah. So we need one new file in my code's HTML. Whatever, you just make a file name of that. You just make another. And that's what we're gonna do. HTML. Oh my god, it's so hot. So warm. Oh my god, it's so okay. I'm not nervous, please. HTML project. HTML. HTML pro. Okay, fine, whatever. HTML P, I guess. .html. Is it right? Okay, let's just enter it. So first, we're gonna type exclamation mark, and we put this so that it automatically sets up. So this is what it sets up, and we have to do the title. Device width, yeah, scale equal to 1.0. Okay, you can do how much scale you want and width you want. So let's go to title. So the title here, you need to press a title, and I'm gonna name my project as HTML project. Yeah. So next we're going to body. So you see body, right? So we're going to type H. So H is actually the meaning of heading. So heading 1 is the biggest, heading 2 is the second biggest, heading 3 is the third biggest, heading 4 is the fourth biggest, heading 5 is the fifth biggest, and heading 6, finally right over here, is the smallest heading of all, and we go for heading 1, so that is normal. It's a normal heading also, and we're gonna name the heading as this is a heading, whatever you can do whatever heading you want. And then we do a paragraph, but yeah, we do a paragraph. So this is a paragraph. Okay, so next what we do is, so we want a space for the paragraphs, and that is break. We need to break it, but we cannot enter one more time, so one space will happen. We have to press BR, right BR for sure. It's gonna break, it's gonna take space, some like 4-line space or 1-line space, whatever. So then you write another paragraph. I don't have any idea how to write. You can write whatever you want. Yeah. So then we write break again so that it breaks. Then we want a box so that you can type. But how would it happen? We cannot write any source of like this and box, then this, then we write paragraph, or we write some random things. It's not like that. Yeah, it's not like that. It's actually like this. Input. So we press this input. Then what happens is, instead of it, we're going to write type equal to, then you can write type. So I'm gonna write password. So if you write name, it won't appear in the box. Remember, you write name, it will stay as it. And if you mention it in this code, it will appear. But the value will appear in the box, and the name will appear in the codes. These codes, HTML codes. Okay, so name will be pass word. No, let it be pass. So then we're gonna write value equal to password. Then we just have a space. Not this password. Yeah, got it. So then we're gonna put a break. Okay. BR. Oh, did I do? Yeah. So what we're gonna do is break again and write a paragraph. Type your password. So to check the results, we have it. Let's press Ctrl and S. In Windows, in Windows it's Ctrl plus S. In Mac, I don't know whatever it is, but I'm saying in both you press File and then press Save. And then press run. You just press this thing, run and debug, this play button right over here. So we're gonna press this thing. Then whatever you have, I'm just gonna run it on Edge. Whatever. Let's run it. So look what's the results. Look, what's this thing here? So this is what happens, and you think the password is already set for you, but actually there's a problem. Whatever you think, like you put a password, like password, that's not my real password, okay? So whatever you put like password, is your correct password or wrong password, it'll show. No, it won't show. We're gonna do that in any other part. Okay? I don't know when we are going to do that. Well, that's in nothing. I don't know how websites do that, but it's actually normal. So if you can see, this is not my real password. See, not my real password. And we press enter, nothing will happen. So we need an hyperlink for it. Okay? So the hyperlink we're gonna learn it at the part 2. Bye guys. Have fun looking at this video, and remember to subscribe, turn on the bell notification, like, and also take a clip of this video in YouTube, not YouTube Kids. And what you do is explain how, not explain. Fine, no need to do these all, okay? No need to do this all, remember. It's just a joke, whatever I said. Like, flip. No need to do that. Okay. So you can follow me and learn. Remember, subscribe, like, and turn on the bell notifications. Remember, yeah. Bye guys. Have fun. See you at part 2. And don't forget my name is Ray. And I'm from Rey'sTime. Bye. Oh, and whatever we're going to do is, so you think I'm going to make part 2 today. I'm going to make it later when I get time, so I don't have time anymore. It's almost 4 p.m. as you can cannot see, it's almost 4 p.m. for now. In my clock. Okay, so bye guys, see you later in my next part 2 video, or in my next challenge video okay, not the challenge video, okay. I don't know, I'm making some challenge later or something, but see you later guys. I hope you have fun watching this video, and whatever I said you should remember. Don't forget, like, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications. I'm saying one more time, okay? Please don't leave my channel. So nice. Bye.